Hello and welcome to this B2 Post-Intermediate Lesson 16 with me, Kate. Today we're going to be looking at vocabulary for personal qualities. And let's get straight into it. I have a list here of personal qualities and I would like you to decide, is it a positive quality or a negative quality? Let's weave through our list. So he or she's extremely, if you want it to be extra emphasized, charming, courageous, creative, dedicated, determined, egotistical, inspiring, obsessive, original, ruthless, self-confident, talented. And some phrases. He's got strong principles. She's a strong leader. He cares a lot about other people. She doesn't care about other people. He likes publicity. She inspires respect. Okay, so I suggest you pause the video, have a little think. Which of these qualities are positive and which are negative? Restart when you're ready. Okay, so positive. We have charming, courageous, creative, dedicated, determined, inspiring, original, self-confident, and talented. And our phrases, he's got strong principles. She's a strong leader. He cares a lot about other people. She inspires respect. What about negative qualities? We've got egotistical, obsessive, ruthless. He or she doesn't care about other people, or she likes publicity. Okay, just be careful. Some words, for instance, obsessive and ruthless, these can sometimes be positive in business, for example, but usually they are negative. We've got some words here that are difficult to pronounce, so we're going to focus on those. I want you to listen and repeat. Courageous. Courageous. Determined, determined, self-confident, self-confident, and ruthless, ruthless. Great. Okay, so let's think of some people. You can, if you like, choose 3 of these categories and think of one person for each. It could be a famous world leader, a business leader, a famous artist or musician, a sports personality from your country, or someone you know personally. I want you to choose 3 people and say their name out loud. If you need to, pause the video and restart when you're ready. For example, you could say Nelson Mandela, Taylor Swift, and Kylian Mbappe. Now you've got your 3 people. Now what we're going to do is we're going to describe each person. Use adjectives like creative, determined, and phrases like has strong principles. And I want you to think of at least 3 words or phrases to describe each of your people. So again, you may need to pause the video and restart when you're ready. Okay, so Taylor Swift is very talented and creative. She has strong principles and inspires respect. That's my example. Who do you admire the most and why? For example, I admire Nelson Mandela because he was courageous and inspiring. Now, it's your turn to speak about yourself. I want you to complete some sentences so that they are true for you. Try to use words and phrases from this lesson. Complete the sentences. I really admire people who. I really admire people who are courageous and have strong principles. I never trust people who. I never trust people who are egotistical and dishonest. I don't like people who. I don't like people who are obsessive or rude. I wish I was more. I wish I was more self-confident and creative. And to get honest, okay, your answers can be different. Well done. Okay, so that's it for today. Finally, I have a question for you. Which personal quality is most important for you and why? For me, being self-confident is important because it helps you to succeed. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave your answer in the comments below. And coming next, in lesson 17, we'll be looking at word families, that is verb, noun, adjective. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.